Alright, we're here today at Racket headquarters and wanted to show customers a truck that came out in '05. It's the Toyota Tacoma, a very popular truck being used for work up until that point. And then they came out in '05 with a composite plastic bed. Presented some problems not only for contractors wanting to continue to work out of this truck, but for rack manufacturers like us. We were concerned on how to attach a ladder rack to a bed rail that's all plastic. So we feel like we came up with a pretty good design here for it. You can see by looking in, we have a couple attachment points, one here at the rear and one up at the front. Let's start with the rear. Actually, there's one part of steel on this composite plastic bed, and it's right here. It's in the taillight stanchion. So we have a rear bracket that we designed that grabs onto the steel taillight stanchion. It's probably the most very structural area of the rear of the bed. And we have our bracket that comes up, and you can see it attaches here at the rear. We've welded on a little what we call like a little tab or a clip onto the inside of the angle iron, and then it attaches down via bolt and jam nuts here, so you could have some flexibility in the install. Now up at the front, what we did is we created this arm, or a leg I guess you'd call it, that comes down, and this is actually the factory bed bolt that comes on the Toyota Tacoma. So you just back that bolt out. The bolt actually goes down to the frame of the vehicle, and the same attachment here up at the top. So rather than having the weight of the rack sitting on this composite bed rail, it's now going down to the frame of the vehicle, which historically is the strongest part on the truck's chassis. So we offer this rack in both steel and aluminum, and really excited about this truck. It's now a work truck again, and it's one of our top sellers. It is always in our top 5 for Racket truck racks.